dogs.
Life on animal farms is great. Ever since our faithful leader Napoleon had us chase away that awful Snowball, things have been miraculously wonderful. If that ham ever comes back, he'll be lunch for my pack, and especially our pack leader Pincher. Urinating on Snowball's windmill plans? Brilliant! It was Napoleon's idea for the windmill anyways. Most of the animals are puzzled on why the pigs get the apples and milk. Duh! Brain food! They shouldn't be complaining anyways. He's their leader and they will be dog food if they question him much more. Main idea? Life is absolutely amazing with Napoleon in charge. Well, being the leader's right-hand hoof is pretty good anyways.